5-star service at One Star Drive.
Imagine yourself in this 2010 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather, and memory settings are one of many features. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
Mercedes-Benz of Laguna Niguel.
5-star service at One Star Drive.
Visit us at One Star Drive or mblaguna.com.